In moments of high tension, simply focusing on your breath can create a profound shift. As you begin the physiological sigh, you inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand. This initial deep breath signals to your body that you are ready to take control. With a sharp second inhale, you fill your lungs even further, as if you are drawing in the calm energy around you. Then, with intention, you exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing the tension that's been haunting you. Each repetition helps your body unwind, quieting the storm of stress that often feels insurmountable. After just a few cycles of this technique, you can feel your heart rate begin to decelerate, signaling that your body is entering a state of calmness. The physiological sigh not only activates your vagus nerve but also serves as a reminder that you possess the tools to manage anxiety effectively. With each exhale, visualizing stress melting away can enhance the relief you feel, transforming anxiety into clarity. So, the next time overwhelming thoughts take hold, remember this simple yet powerful breathing technique, and embrace the peace it brings. When anxiety creeps in, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method can serve as your anchor. Start by shifting your gaze around and identifying 5 things you see, from the patterned wallpaper to the flickering light above. Allow your senses to engage fully. Let your mind take note of the vivid colors and shapes before you, grounding you in the present moment. Next, connect to your body by feeling 4 distinct sensations, from the warmth of your hands to the surface beneath your feet. Then, listen carefully and pick out 3 sounds around you, whether it's the hum of a distant appliance or the rustle of leaves outside. As you explore your surroundings, let your focus narrow down to 2 distinct smells in the air, perhaps fresh coffee or a hint of citrus. Finally, zero in on one taste lingering in your mouth, whether sweet or savory. This simple exercise disrupts the cycle of anxiety, bringing you back to reality, and re-establishing a sense of calm amidst the chaos. As the moment of anxiety fades, consider exploring progressive muscle relaxation. Begin by sitting comfortably and focus on your feet. Tense the muscles for a count of 5, then release and feel the heaviness dissipate. Gradually, move up to your calves, thighs, and so on, all the way to your head. Each release reinforces the message of safety, welcoming a profound sense of serenity throughout your body. This method not only alleviates physical tension but also encourages mental clarity and emotional balance, effectively calming your nervous system. Your brain is capable of incredible change, and these techniques empower you to take control of your anxiety. Embrace these methods as tools, practicing them until they become second nature, so you can consistently return to a state of peace, even amidst life's greatest challenges.